This is a 32nd scale slot car. It's a model of a Chaparral made by Slot-It, and it's been modified to be an RC car rather than a slot car. So what's been added is a receiver, a servo, batteries, and a speed control. Has a switch in the back. The chassis has been modified so that this steering works off the servo. The front wheels have upper and lower arms and ball joints and coil springs. Runs on 4 1/3 AAA batteries. Features: it's easy to take the body off. It's easy to operate the switch, and through slots you can access the batteries and charge the batteries without having to take the body off. It charges in about an hour and runs for about 24 minutes.